Sandeep Srivastav, and he asks, what should be the asset allocation mix in the current situation as we are battling with COVID? Also, I have invested in a regular plan of a mutual fund scheme and now find the expense ratio too high. Kindly suggest if and how I should move to a direct plan. Dhiren, if you could answer this one.
Yeah, I would like to answer the first part of the question a little comprehensively, that most investors, should choose one of the four asset allocation. One is that if you're getting started, uh, don't do allocation because you have nothing to lose. You are getting started, so 100% into equity. If you are going to invest 1.5 lakh rupees and that too in a tax saving fund, don't do anything. Have 100% into equity. You need to do asset allocation only when you have built something meaningful. And I would say that we should have broad kind of framework in our mind that a third of your money should be in fixed income once you are still in your earning phase and accumulation phase, so that if the market the March kind of situation happens again, you have some shock absorber built into your portfolio. Once you are getting closer to your retirement or post-retirement, then maybe your equal, 50% of it in equity, 50% on fixed income is good enough, because then you will get rebalancing opportunity meaningfully and more often, and sometimes once or twice in a year. And if you are a very conservative investor, started late, not experienced, it is very unnerving, the whole equity experience. Maybe a third of your money should be in equity, two-thirds in fixed income, and you should keep rebalancing periodically, or as and when your asset allocation goes out of whack. So this should be your guidance rather than the state of the market, because the markets will misbehave, and many a times, and if you reset your allocation, that itself will do the job. Now, should you move from your regular plan to the direct plan? Ideally, you should, if you don't need any advisor's help. But if you have got hold of a good advisor who does your hand holding, he turns out to be a good counsel in bad times or anxious times, then carry on with his higher expense.